This is Square Technologies Group's panel factory, the best panel factory in China. Here are the steel coils for the insulated panels. The steel coils are from one of the best steel mills in China, Baosteel. The material can be stainless steel or carbon steel. The thickness can be 0.5 or 0.6 mm. This is our decoiling line. This big machine is to decoil the steel coil for the metal skin for the insulated panels. The machine can handle maximum 15 tons steel coil. The machine can change the steel coil without stop the production line. This can ensure consistent quality of the polyurethane foaming. This is the corona discharge station. It is to increase the roughness of the inner surface of the metal skin, so that the binding force between the panels and the skin can be better. After corona discharge treatment, now the metal sheet comes to the rolling station.
The rollers can stamp various patterns into the steel cladding. The side rollers form the cladding edges into either a standard tongue and groove joint or a specialized invisible joint.
This room is for the foaming.
The process begins with preheating the steel, preparing the surface for a high-strength glue that fuses the cladding to the insulation. We then evenly distribute the PIR chemical mixture across the surface. By synchronized temperature, line speed, and chemical ratios, we achieve a perfect foam reaction. This precision is what ensures our panels remains perfectly flat and stable throughout their entire service life.
Here, the panels will be kept warm by the conveyor. The 42 meters dual-belt conveyor is the longest in the history. The panels will stay in the conveyor for over 10 minutes. It is especially good for the panels thicker than 150 mm. This can ensure a complete curing. The precise control of the time and the temperature is very good for the performance of the end products. Now we need to cut the panels to length. The panels will be needed to cool in this room. After cutting, the panels will stay in the curing room for over 3.5 hours. The room temperature will be kept at 25 Celsius degree. This allows slow and consistent cooling of the panels. This can guarantee the final quality and performance of the panels. After the panels are cooled, the panels will be stacked and palletized here.
Finally, the PIR panels are palletized and wrapped for maximum protection. Whether traveling by road or sea, this packaging prevents damage and ensures a smooth, easy handling process once the shipment reaches the customer.